Stephen Penn of Stephen Penn Designs, and this is Hans. Thank you for checking out my channel. I believe good designs start from within and works its way out. I believe this is especially true with one's diet. What you put in your body affects what you get from it. The healthier choices you make, for your body, the better results you'll get from your body. Today we're going to talk about and learn to make a recipe for your furry baby. Right, Hans? But I have to tell you, I'm not a vet, and I want to tell you a little story about Hans, and I hope he doesn't get too embarrassed, right? But it's for the good of all pet kind who suffer. So, when we first got Hans, he had terrible skin issues. He always seemed to be itching, scratching, broken out. His skin was red. It was terrible. And we tried different medicines, topicals. We tried different vets, foods, and finally we figured out that the culprit in his case was chicken. And as I learned, many dogs don't do well with chicken. So I found this recipe from a vet, and of course I made it my own, or I made it rather Hans's own, with just a little tweak here and there. And Hans has been loving it for years, and his skin, along with either weekly or bi-weekly baths, has been great. His vet says it's fine, his teeth are great, his weight stays consistent, although we probably could hold back a little on the treats. Just a few more things about store-bought food before moving on. The advertising of food is, of course, for you and me, the humans, and just like most ads, they're somewhat misleading to make you buy their products. It's okay. That is what advertising is about, to make you buy their stuff. That's great for the economy. Well, what I propose is by making your pet's food will have you still purchasing things, which will also help the economy, but giving your furry baby fresh, clean ingredients, no fillers, no grains, no dyes, no artificial flavors. And science says that this will extend the life of your pet along with better health, just like it would if you ate that kind of diet. Makes sense, right? So, okay, without further ado, let's make some great food for your pet that's also going to save you money. Yes, I said save you money, which means you can buy them more toys. Yes, so stores, don't get mad, but I looked at your pre-made foods that you stick in the refrigerator, and it's something like $15 for about 10 ounces. And what we're about to make is about $25 and makes about 7.5 cups. So you do the math. I did. For about 45 minutes of your time, you know what you get. Okay, so let's get out all the ingredients. 1 large or 2 small carrots and grate them. 1 large green or yellow zucchini, also grated. 1 5-ounce can of low salt peas, they don't need the salt. 1 cup of brown rice, I think it's healthier than the white rice. And I also like the one that comes with quinoa in it. And it's the kind that you can put in the microwave and is done in a minute. It's a real time saver for the rice. 5 ounces of fresh, clean spinach, chopped up. And then for the protein, Hans gets 1 pound of ground pork and 1 pound of fresh, skinless salmon. Yes, salmon, not only for bears and cats. All this talk about food made Hans hungry, so I had to get him a treat. So, according to learn.veterinarian.org, salmon is a superfood with high levels of omega-3 fatty acids with a long list of benefits, some of them being that they are great for dog skin and coat. It reduces inflammation, enhances cognitive function, supports health, and boosts their immune system, among many more advantages. But most of all, Hans loves it. So make sure there are no bones and cube the salmon so when you're cooking it, it cooks evenly. You'll see in a minute why I said that. And you'll need 2 tablespoons of olive oil separated. And you'll also need 2 large bowls, mixing bowls, a wooden spoon, and a silicone spatula to get all the bits out of the bowl. And about 7 to 8 1-cup glass containers with lids or plastic, if that's what you prefer, to keep the recipe frozen once you're done. In one of the large mixing bowls, grate the carrots and the zucchini, add the peas, the cooked rice. It's okay if it's only the rice and not the quinoa. And now the spinach. Mix all the vegetables and the rice together and set it aside. Next, in a large pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil on medium heat, and when the oil becomes hot, add the 1 pound of cubed fish. Using the wooden spoon so you don't scrape the pan, break up the fish as it cooks. At first it will be a little tough, but since you cubed it, it will give soon enough and start to break up into little pieces to look more like a tuna fish. This will take about 3 to 5 minutes, and then add half the vegetable mix and cook for about 3 more minutes or so. Once you see the spinach has wilted and the fish has turned to more of a solid color, transfer this whole thing into the second empty mixing bowl. Now, take the 2nd tablespoon of olive oil and add that to the same pan. It doesn't matter if there are some little bits of the other stuff in it, it's okay. Wait till the oil is heated up again, just a few more moments, and add the 1 pound of ground pork. Using the wooden spoon again, break up the meat as it's cooking, like you did with the fish, and do this until the pork is still just a little pink left in it. It's perfectly fine. And add the rest of the uncooked vegetable mix and rice mix into the meat. Mix it in using the spoon and cook for about 2 to 3 more minutes until the spinach has wilted. Remove this from the heat and add this to the fish mixture and gently stir the two together. Now divide into 1-cup portions and freeze. Now for Hans, he's about 35 pounds and he gets fed twice a day plus various treats throughout the day and a lovely bone during our dinner time. It's really great for his teeth, this bone, and also the food. He really enjoys it. Sorry to get off track. He gets a 1/4 cup twice a day of that mixture along with a 1/4 cup of hydrolyzed kibble. And a little bit of added green beans to each meal. To make a variation, I'll change up the green beans for broccoli or cauliflower. So depending on the size of your furry baby, you'll tweak it so it works for their size. And if you aren't sure if this will work for your dog, please ask your vet. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my vlog. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, ring the bell, maybe subscribe to my channel, and hey, while you're at it, tell a friend or two. And I hope you enjoyed and had fun with Stephen Penn Designs video vlog design in mind. Look for new videos where I'll be designing something else mindfully. A bedroom, a bathroom, a hallway, a laundry room. In design, the possibilities are endless. So stay tuned and I'll see you next time.